Nowadays, there are many types of operating system, but my favorite operating system is Windows. These OS were developed by Microsoft and were released in 1985 and became popular later. It was most used for traditional PC, which account for 92% of all computers. Its Euro graphical user interface featuring a start bar, start menu, and window for multitasking. Windows have some new features such as AI-powered Soon updates in 2024. After using it, I think it's more versatility and reliability than Mac OS. Besides, the price of Windows is cheaper. That makes it a solid choice for every start day.